So, presenting the group six, uh, we are here to tackle about the flooring materials and walling materials. Uh, First, we're going to discuss about flooring materials.
Hi, I'm Christian Louis Sanroman from BSA 1C. And so let's start with the flooring materials. Flooring materials, the final wearing surface which is applied over the subfloor. There has a lot of types of flooring materials, and each of them are used in different places or areas of our house or buildings. So let's start with the wood flooring. It is made both in softwood and hardwood. Any flooring product that contains real wood is wood flooring. It's a common choice as a flooring material. It is strong and durable, long-lasting and cost-effective, and it also adds values to your home. It is also low maintenance and easy to clean, and it has a better air quality because it doesn't trap any particles like dust that might harm the people who lives on that house. So next is concrete flooring. Concrete is primarily made from cement mixed with aggregates and water, used in basement or ground floors. It is durable, is easy to clean, and relatively maintenance free because it is tough and resistant to damages and stains. Clay tile flooring. It is easy to customize. It is long-lasting, environmentally friendly, fire and weather resistant, low maintenance, but not 100% wind resistant, and it also fragile. Next is asphalt flooring. It has a smooth surface floor, water resistant nature. Mastic asphalt flooring can be used as protective layer under carpet. Asphalt flooring is also considered as one of the longest lasting flooring materials. Next, so now we have here the terrazzo flooring. It is a proven and durable flooring choice. Many terrazzo floors are inexpensive to create. It looks especially good in areas that get a lot of the sun. Can easily be molded into panels that suit custom staircases, backsplashes, and countertops. Um, Terrazzo, if it is sealed properly, the material will be impervious to water and stain damage. Next is plastic flooring. It is made of a type of plastic called polyvinyl chloride or PVC. It gives a unique resiliency, ideal for high traffic areas of the home, particularly those with children and pets. It is high in durability and it is elegant in appearance. Next is magnesite flooring. It is used as flooring topping or leveling product containing glue. It is durable, it is low maintenance, it is non-flammable, uh, which made it into a fireproof flooring. So next is the rubber flooring. Rubber is very durable and extremely resilient. It provides a good grip, resistance to tough workouts and heavy traffic. Heavy and more difficult to install than interlocking rubber tiles, slippery when wet. Next, so we have another types of flooring. Next is cork flooring. Cork extraction process does not harm trees. It is used over radiant heat systems, naturally insulation material, great performance under heavy furnishings, can be stained by oil, dirt, and spills if it's not properly protected. Higher cost than traditional flooring materials. Next is pebble washout. It is commonly referred to as exposed aggregate finish. It consists of a 70% pebble and 30% cement mix. It is a unique flooring system providing a durable premium surface covering for any flooring situation. Next, next is marble flooring. Marble flooring are low heat resistant stones. They are expensive compared to other natural stone. It needs high maintenance cost. It requires proper care and maintenance. Marble marble flooring are one of the good qualities of marble flooring is it reflects light, which makes the room spacious and at the same time gives a touch of elegance. And lastly, we have here the crazy cut marble flooring. It was called crazy cut marble because the waste and cut marbles that placed on a white cement are come in different sizes and shapes. So it is more durable, it has refined and decorative appearance. It is also known for its versatility. It is a great way to accent an interior decoration. It is very easy to maintain and only requires an occasional scrape to polish. And it is also very expensive. That's all for the flooring materials.
So I'm Jeremiah Abisamis from BSA 1B, and let us now proceed with the walling materials. So first we have wood finishes. So wood finishes are known to be very durable, dry, very fast, and do not acquire yellowish color with aging. It is fire resistant, colorful in appearance, long term in terms of duration, and no painting or oiling required. Next one is gypsum finishes. It is usually low cost, ease of installation and finishing. It is fire resistant as well, and it sound resistant as well. It is versatile and it's durable. Next is clay finishes. Clay finishes is a finish for a healthy interior. Has a very old tradition. Is also suitable in modern house construction over traveled smooth and wall surfaces. 100% natural and consists of various types of sands and colored clay. And next we have stone finishes. Stone finishes are natural, unrivaled beauty, extreme durability and long lifespan, extensive range of stone types, colors and formats, is better and fire resistant and provides a high level of insulation. So next are the concrete finishes. Finishes are known to be durable, stiff, energy efficient, speed in terms of construction, and the cost of maintenance is affordable and it's also fire resistant as well. Next is building board, strength, rigidity, and durability, excellent thermal insulation properties and heat accumulation, excellent sound insulation properties, ecology and environmental protection. Next are wallpaper. It is durable and can last over 15 years, making it very cost effective. Has been hung properly. Can last 3 times longer than paint. High quality wallpaper can hide surfaces imperfections. And next is wall covering. It is a material such as wallpaper that is used to decorate the walls on the inside of a building. Affordable and durable, good for branding efforts, durable and little maintenance, and there are many design options. Then we proceed to glass. Glass is a unique transparent material which allows light to pass through and so that objects behind the glass are visible clearly. Thus proving waterproof, aesthetically appealing, weather and rust resistant. Next is steel. It helps minimize the wear and tear of metallic products, help to improve electrical conductivity, resistance to torque, and increase solderability of metal. Next are non-ferrous materials. Tends to be softer and more malleable than ferrous materials, provide aesthetic application, easy to fabricate, and high corrosion resistance. And lastly, we have plastics. Plastics producing the correct shape and function. Abrasives such as emery cloth, silicon carbide, paper, or steel will use to remove before a polish is applied and the plastic is buffed to a good finish. And lastly is paint. It is durable, trace a well how much light bounce off of the paint surface, provide excellent coverage and edge wrap, and can affect the way I perceive color. So that's all. Thank you.
So hi. So let's proceed to the walling materials. I'm Ellery Colicot from BSA 1B. So first, what is walling? Walling in construction is an upright structure of masonry, wood, plaster, or other building material serving to enclose, divide, or protect an area, especially vertical construction, forming an inner partition or exterior siding of a building. So these are the types of walling finishes or walling materials. First, stucco. Stucco is a siding material made of Portland cement, sand, lime, and water. It includes a natural resistance to fire, lasting durability, and low maintenance. Next, brick veneer. Ha- it have less weight in comparison to different masonries. It also reduces structural loading due to which economies expended on structural and foundation support is saved. It can act as an insulating agent and looks fancy, needs a little maintenance. Next, artificial stone veneer. It is very durable material that stands the passage of time and does not deteriorate. Natural formation process confers it certain characteristics that make it ideal for facade. Next is natural stone veneer. It is uh, commonly same with artificial, but it is aesthetics and aesthetically beautiful and durable. It has its own unique textures, color tones, and imperfections, making no two stone feature walls the same. Quality natural stone will weather well and last many years to come. Next, terracotta facing. Our heat resistance up to positive 1000 degrees and frost resistance. It is also resistant to temperature extremes, relatively low, high hygroscopicity, durable, and environmental friendliness of the material. Wood siding can be installed quickly, reduces installation cost and time. It is cheap and is a low-cost alternative to other siding material, eco-friendly, and easy to paint. Next is boards and battens. It is aesthetic quality from its added curb appeal. It is budget friendly, durable, and easier to install. Next is aluminum siding. It does not rust, but another advantage of this siding type is the fact that it's fireproof and waterproof. It is cost effective, eco-friendly, durable, low maintenance, and some disadvantage is prone to minor damage. Next, and other types of walling materials are or finishes are metal, plywood, exterior finish, insulating fiberboard siding, wood shakes and shingles, hardboard siding, asbestos cement siding and siding shingles, curtain walls, bricks. Next, tile, ceramic, veneer, and terracotta, stone or marble, precast concrete slabs, washout finishes, synthetic adobe brick, sandblasting, Bosch hammered finish, glass, and the last two are plastic and logs.
So next, my name is Michael Angelo C. Morales from BSA 1D, and the next topic is flooring materials and what is a factor in choosing materials. So typically sa pagpili ng mga materials na gagamitin mo, the letter A factor is type of building involved. So dito pumapasok yung kung saan mag-fit ba yung materials na gagamitin mo doon sa building or structure na ipapatayo. So the next factor is letter B, type of usage to which a floor will be subjected. So yung floor ba isa rin sa kinukonsidera sa pagkakabitan ng napili mong floor material. So the third factor is special requirements. So dito sa special requirements, usually 'di ba may mga sukat yung mga floor. So pag magkakabit ka ng flooring materials sa floor, inuuna sa gitna bago kumbaga pa-spread yung pagkabit. Yan. So the fourth factor is yung cost. So dito may kailangan mong mag-canvas sa mga depot kung saan may maraming mga floor materials na mas makakamura ka and mas mura and mas matibay, durable. What is resilience? The capacity of materials to recover its original size and shape after deformation. So mapapansin mo, yung resilience, yung pagka na-bend mo siya, so babalik siya sa dati. So isa sa materials na ganyan yung plastic. Yan, resilient yon. Yung mga non-resilient naman is yung marble, tiles yan. Pag binend mo yan, balik talaga yan. Yan. Next. Wood flooring. Softwood pine strip flooring. So, dito na tayo sa wood flooring. Dito, ito yung pinaka mga anong gawin na flooring kasi iniisa-isa to. So, yung typically, kalaban mo rin dito is yung anay. Yes. Kasi, pipili ka ng soft wood tsaka hardwood na hindi mabilis kapitan ng anay. Pag gagamitin mo siya sa flooring. Hardwood, yung mga matitibay na hardwood is yung narata, tingal, yakal, tapos yung mulave, yan. May mga matitibay. So dito, makikita mo dito yung meron siyang mga pattern, kumbaga para siyang puzzle na pinagkakabit-kabit lang siya. Tapos tsaka mo papakuin. 'Yon. Tapos so, pag napako mo na, syempre lalagyan mo siya ng varnish para hindi siya kapitan ng mga insects. Next.
Yung kulamboy, ano mo, tagba dun, iipit mo.
So, sa third, ano tayo sa concrete flooring.
Yung ano kasi yun,
Concrete floors are done in the best workmanship and materials since they are subjected to every kind of wear and abuse. So, ito yung pinaka-common na flooring na ginagamit. Sa paggagamit ka naman ng ng hood sa sa second floor ka, I think hindi siya pwedeng ipatong sa concrete and yung kahoy kasi baka nga anahin yung ilalim. So, pag second floor ka tapos hood lang yung gagamitin mo, hood lang. Pero kung papasok tayo sa concrete flooring, ito yung pinaka-basic common na ginagamit kasi nga mas matibay to, durable. Yeah, so ginagamit din siya sa stairs. 'Yon, sa sa driveways kasi mabigat yung mas ng sasakyan. Kaya yung concrete flooring talaga yung pinakamatibay as a design. Doon sa sa beams, ginagamit din yung sa beams, yung malabnaw na halo. Ayun yung typically ginagamit sa paggawa ng concrete. So next. The last one is marble. This is an expensive flooring from marble stone cut into 1-inch thick in size of 0.40 x 0.40, 0.30 x 0.60, 0.20 x 0.40, and other external special sizes. So typically, marble is this expensive materials. Why? Kasi very mabilis siyang mag-crack nga. So bukod sa siya, ang pinaka dito, mas mabilis linisin. Yan yung pinakakagandahan nito. Isang map mo lang, mo agad siya, wipe out mo agad siya. So, yun lang. Next reporter po.
Good day, everyone. I'm Kyril Ace Lopez, and I'm going to discuss interior finishing materials under the category of walling materials. The term walling refers to an upright structure of masonry, wood, plaster, or other building material serving to enclose, divide, or protect an area, especially a vertical construction forming an inner partition or exterior siding of a building. It has two categories, which was mentioned by our previous reporters. These are the interior and exterior walling materials. Interior walling materials include wood finishes, gypsum finishes, clay finishes, stone finishes, soft finishes, building boards, wallpapers, wall coverings, glass, steel, non-ferrous metals, plastic, and paint. while the exterior includes terracotta paste, wood siding, forging patterns, aluminum siding, and so on. One type of interior finishing material is wood finishes. For interior use, wait, next slide. One type of interior finishing material is wood finishes. For interior use, there are two basic groups. A. It aims to cover walls and ceilings wherein solid wood, wood sheet, and plywoods are commonly used. First is the solid wood, those in form of boards, which are 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, and 1 inch thickness and width from 2 to 12 inches and length of 4 to 10 feet. The face of boards may be plain, saw textured, V-grooved, or channeled, and edges may be square or tongue and grooved. Second is the wood sheets. These are made from variety of softwood and hardwoods, kiln dried and edge glued to form sheets which are usually 1 inch thick, 3 feet wide, and 8 feet long in a variety of face patterns. Surfaces are sanded and sheets may be factory sealed and pre-finished. And third is the plywood. One way of attachment to studdings is by leaving 1/4 inch space using edge of plywood or a 4 CW nail to separate edges to give an effect of planking. Next, the second type or the second group are those used as trim materials around door and window openings, as baseboard, and as various decorative moldings. We have the door jamb, mullion casing, handrail, nosing, casing, cove, ground, baseboard, round, and quarter round. Next, clay finishes. This includes the bricks and tiles. Clay products of all kinds can be used for interior finishing. They include brick, common brick, face brick, glazed brick, structural tile, glazed tile, ceramic veneer, ceramic wall tile, and ceramic mosaic. In addition, several limitation of brick veneer products are made, or imitation of brick veneer products are made using lightweight aggregates, cement paste, and artificial color. Common brick is usually used for interior work to produce a rustic or rough cast effect, often emphasized with extruded mortar joints. Wall patterns include the herringbone, stock band, rat trap band, projected, projecting bricks, Flemish band, garden wall, and the English band. The herringbone band is a decorative brick pattern used in brick paving and walls. The bricks are laid in alternating rows at 45 degrees to each other, more often used in paving work where large areas can be done quickly, but when used in walls, there is an awful lot of cutting to be done. Next is the stock band. In a stock band, all the bricks are plainly loaded on top of each other and held with mortar where all bands are perfectly aligned. Because of its weak masonry structure and less strength, stock bands are perfect for decorative purposes. This band is a non-structural band, hence not suitable for walls which require to transfer load. Next is the rat trap band. In this band, bricks are laid on edge or placed in a vertical position instead of conventional horizontal position. This creates a cavity or hollow space within the wall. This feature helps in keeping enhanced thermal comfort and keep the interior cooler than the outside or vice versa. This type of walls consumes a smaller number of materials due to the internal cavity. The rat trap bond looks very similar to the Flemish bond in appearance. Skilled labor and extra care are needed to design this bond. Next is the projecting bricks. Projections are designed depending on the brick type and exposure, and taking into consideration mortar, rugs, and perforation. Showcasing a range of projection degrees, the following collection includes brickwork that's rotated, stacked, and extruded and recessed. Adding texture and relief to each facade, the bricks are joined together using snap headers, stretchers, and diverse ties. They play with light and shadow to transform exterior surfaces into dynamic facades that stand out and make a statement. Next is the Flemish bond. For this type of bond, each course is made up of alternate headers and stretchers. Each header is centered on a stretcher above and below, and every alternate course begins with a header in the corner. For breaking the vertical joint in the successive courses, closures are introduced in alternate courses next to the header. This bond can be significantly subdivided into two diverse types. One is the single Flemish bond and the double Flemish bond. Walls with Flemish bond are complex to erect and demand greater skill. Next is the garden wall, which is commonly used in landscaping. And lastly is the English bond, which is one of the most commonly utilized variations of brick bonds in masonry works. This bond essentially comprises of alternating courses of headers and stretchers. Headers are laid centered over the stretchers in the course below, and each alternate row is vertically aligned. To break the continuousness of vertical joints, a coin closer is used at the start and end of a wall after the first header. A coin close is a brick that is cut lengthwise into two halves and used in corners in brick walls. This type of bond is mainly used to construct strong one brick thickness walls. The next type of interior finishing material is the glaze tile. Ceramic tile having a fused impervious glaze surface surface finish, white or colored or with designs, composed of ceramic materials fused into the body of the tile. The body may be non-vitreous, semi-vitreous, or impervious. Ceramic wall tile lie in various sizes and shapes. Usually 3/8 inch thick is used in kitchens, bathrooms, washrooms, laboratories, for a feature wall, or wainscot with another material covering the upper part of the wall. Ceramic mosaic. These are small pieces of plain or contoured tile mounted on a paper of cloth. Net backing is used for similar purposes. Next slide. Stone finishes. These can be produced using solid stone walls and exposing the interior as well as the exterior surface. The other method is to cover the interior surface with thin stone slabs from 1 to 2 inch thick. Stone is applied over a backup of wall, concrete, concrete block, brick, tile, or hollow blocks, and is held in place with some type of stone anchor. Plain concrete walls may be used by giving them special treatment to make them as smooth as possible. This is done by rubbing down the abrasive stone or with an equipment called a sander and filling the holes and pores with cement ground. Next is the precast concrete panel on surface is finished for interior exposure. The face may be textured, patterned, or colored, or it may be an exposed aggregate. Next is the synthetic stone or mixture of plaster cement with grounded adobe stone or sometimes seashells are plastered on a back of wall. After it has hardened, the surface is chipped off with an axe or tomahawk to bring out the aggregate. Next is the pebble washout finish, a mixture of plaster cement with selected pebbles, white or gray in color. Sizes are available in number 5, number 10, and number 15. These are plastered on the back of wall, usually a hollow black wall with brown coat. When the proper sizing up of wall has begun, a spray of water is applied, or in the absence of a sprayer, a sponge is used to eliminate excess cement plaster to expose the pebble stone aggregate. And last is the sandblasting. The final finish is done by mixing plaster with colored cement or just plain cement. This is placed in a sandblasting contraption which can be made at the site. When the handle is turned, the plaster mix is blasted and forced to adhere to the concrete back of wall. Next is the building boards. First type of building board is the plywood. It comes with 1/4 by 4 by 8 ordinary narrow veneer book match ribbon grain or can be pre-finished. Wood paneling already comes in color tones, which is seen in the Danara brand. Hardboard, insulating fiber board, chipboard, particle board, gypsum board, straw board, asbestos cement board, cork board, paper board. Next, wood slats or wood grills. This comes in a form of panel screen and used as a wall paneling, ceiling, ventilation, movable room divider, and etc. It is available in a fine selection of kiln-dried chipping woods in a standard and special design. Perforated widths are 2, 3, and 4 feet high, while the height is 8 and 10 feet. Thickness varies between 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 1/2 inch. Wallpapers. This is produced in a wide range of wood, grain, fabric, stone, brick, and mural patterns. Wallpapers are produced in single and double rolls to 20 to 36 inch wide, containing 36 square feet per single roll. Selvage edges varies between 3 to 4, 3 half I 3/4 to 1 inch wide, which are removed from each end of a roll before hanging. Installed with a perfect fit, an overlap of 1 inch or more is done and a vertical straight edge is used to cut with a sharp blade. Next is the glass. Glass is used for finishing inside rooms. For light diffusing or light directing, glass blocks are used. For interior partitions, room dividers, and screens, structural glass is used. Plate glass, mirrors, and architectural glass with designs are used for interior decoration and to produce special effects. Architectural glass comes in thickness of 1/16 inch or 3/32 inch, and usually 1 1/2 inch by 1 1/2 inch or 24 by 36, and in two types: clear glass, mirror plane, or can be black tinted. Glass tile or panels are available also as type of wall finish. These are the variety of architectural glass patterns as you can see in the picture. The architectural glass is attached to a back of plywood bowling with a rugby glue to form a pattern. This can also be used for ceilings. The back portion of the architectural glass has a cloth-like material for glue to attach quickly. And lastly is the steel. Steel wall tile are made from thin gauge steel sheet to give them rigidity and coated with porcelain enamel in a full range of colors. Common sizes are 4 and 1/4 and 6-inch squares and 3 by 6 inch with a cup base outside and inside corners, feature strips and others. Special tile adhesives are used to secure tile to smooth surfaces. Stainless steel wall are produced in 4 and 1/4, 5, 6, and 10-inch squares and in 3 by 6 inch rectangles in a polished satin finish. Corners, cups, and etc. are available to corresponding to field sizes. Galvanized sheet metal casing trim is frequently used in a place of wood casing around door and window openings. That's all.
Thank you so much. And that's all for flooring and walling materials. Thank you. Tagal lumabas ng record. So, game ka. Game. Game mo na. Okay, pause. So, here are the material boards with the categories in flooring and walling materials. First, the tile flooring. The tile flooring has quartz tile, coast, mood tile, graphite, textile, cream, slate tile, lumber tile, walnut, lumber tile, chestnut, brickstone tile, fair, and the polished floor tile. Next. Next is the different types of tile flooring or the different designs. The marble flooring with the different designs. The vinyl tiles or plastic flooring. An example of it is wood vinyl tiles. Zeligi tiles, granada cream, stone texture tiles, brown gray, white marble tiles, emerald green, royal blue, seamless marble, cumulus white, carpet vinyl tiles, Pitera gray oat, terrazzo white. Next. Another type of flooring materials is the concrete flooring. Concrete flooring has the cement texture, exterior stained concrete, interior stained concrete, quartz flooring, and metallic epoxy flooring. The next step is the wood flooring. It has engineered wood, reclaimed wood flooring, wood effect style flooring, bamboo flooring, and lastly the parquet wood flooring. That's all for the flooring materials material board.
So for the walling finishes, first we have the stone walling and finishes. Um, some examples are the Brooklyn White, the Yosemite, Columbia and Austin. Then for the wallpaper, we have Aquarium, Minuan, and Konos Villa. And for the concrete walling and finishes, we have Cream Fossil, Black Fossil, and the White Polish. For the aluminum panel, we have some examples of the monochromatic colors like the flash silver, bright white, and deep gray. And for the colored ones, we have jade white, youth white, and petroleum red. And for the bright color ones, we have the yellow, the glossy white, and the glossy orange. For the different kinds of wood finishes of walling materials, we have the plywood, the hardwood, and the wood sheets. For the building boards, we have the particle board, paper board, and cork board. And for the gypsum finishes, we have smooth, stippled, and sand finish. So these are the types of walls. Wall facing bricks, clay finishes, lubricon. Floor tile, clay finishes. Ceramic tiles, clay finishes. Glaze border tile, clay finishes. Wall tile, clay finishes. We also have glass blocks, unglazed border tiles, clay finishes. Mos- Mosaic tile, clay finishes, and stainless steel wall tiles. So that's all for the walling part.